All right, what does high fiber mild citrus taste like? But first, what is high fiber? Basically, it's a liquid fiber supplement that helps with regularity and softening stools. It's made with polydextrose and FOS. You can learn more about that on the website. FOS, and you can learn more about that on our website in the link below. So how to use it. You can take it orally. I mean, you can open up these individual sachets, or they also come in a 30-ounce bottle, both available on the website. You could use it also with enteral feeding. You can mix it with hot and cold beverages or any softened foods like pudding. And basically, if you're using it for tube feeding, you mix it with 30 cc's of water and you flush it through the tubing. It's suitable for dietary management of any bowel transit disorders, constipation, and bowel irregularity. Again, make sure you talk to your healthcare providers if this is something that you should take. And definitely make sure you read the directions before you take it. But let's get to what does mild citrus taste like. So let's got the single serve packet. Let me show you what it looks like. If you could see that. Let's see. It's on the clear side. Has a mild citrus scent. There you go. Bottoms up. Actually, while all these are not as natural as fruit, it is palatable. And nutrition does make a more of the tastier nutrition. And that's basically for compliance. You want to make sure whoever's using this does take it. You don't want them not to take it because especially if it's prescribed or if you just need it because you need it. But if you have any questions, contact the customer service in the link below, and definitely chat with your healthcare provider. See if this is something that should be part of your everyday diet.